Welcome to Rivet. Y'all, we've heard you. A large amount of you have told us you need customizable absence types. We gathered your feedback, and our designers went to work designing the new feature. Then the developers spent a large amount of their time in the previous weeks making that happen, and now we're rolling it out. Customizable absence types in Rivet will work as follows. Those with an admin permission level are able to click on this settings gear icon to navigate to the Manage Organization page. There, you'll find a new tab labeled Absences. You'll be able to add customized absence types by clicking the Add button. Label the absence type and add a description if you wish. Once you've completed those steps, you're able to change this absence type to planned or an unplanned absence. This will affect the icon next to the absence type throughout the views in Rivet for clearer visibility. Enter as many customized absence types as you wish. Really hope you find this update especially useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team. And I hope the rest of your day is great.